Hi guys, so today we are going to be going over how to make your Adobe Spark videos. And so we will be using Adobe Spark, which is an app. You can download the app on your phone if you want to. The app is actually very easy and intuitive, or you can use the desktop site. Once again, we will be using Adobe Spark Video, not Adobe Spark Page or Post. So once you have created an account, and you can log in with your Gmail, that's probably the easiest thing to do. Once you have created an account, you will be here on the Spark homepage once you're logged in. And make sure that you are also following the instructions that are included on the Adobe Spark Video assignment sheet. And it takes you to it gives you the website that you have to go to and everything. And so what you will do once you're logged into your Spark and you're here, you click this blue button. And when you click the blue button, it will bring up all these different things that you can do. You see popular. You need to keep scrolling down. This is actually a new thing where they try to give you templates. You keep scrolling down and then you'll choose create a video. So not create a web page, not create a graphic. Although those are two really awesome tools that you can use, especially for create a web page that can actually be used for a presentation like in lieu of a PowerPoint. But today we'll just be doing how to create a video. So you can give the title, give the story a title right here, about me, and then whatever your name is, and then click next. Alright, so you can either pick a story template or start from scratch. I'm going to recommend that you start from scratch because if not, it'll have like some built-in things that you'll have to delete. So click start from scratch and you will notice that Spark does have to load a little bit, and make sure that you are using, I'm using Firefox right now, but Firefox, Safari if you're a Mac user, or Chrome if you're using PC. So please do not use Internet Explorer or Edge or whatever it is. It's a very crappy browser and it will constantly give you problems. Alright, so once you are here, you will see it's got a very similar interface as to PowerPoint. And you see there are all these different slides that you can add. And so your first slide, you just click full screen and you can put a photo, you can put a video, and then you can also overlay text over that. So let's just say, we want to add a photo. You can either upload a photo or find free stock photos. So preferably it would probably be good to have some pictures of you. Or you can actually, if you don't want a background, there should be colors. There we go. Theme. So you go to theme, you can change it to focus, you can change it to flare, and it will give you color backgrounds, different types of font, whatever. So if you don't want to have a picture as your background for the first one and you just want to have a color, let's say we just want to have blue. And right here you click the little plus sign, you can just put text, so all about, Tom Smith. It'll be our generic student name. And that's your first slide. So you don't have to add any kind of voiceover or anything. You do need to have a certain number of pictures, so do be sure that you are listing, or you are using, you have to have at least 5 text slides, 1 title, so that's what we just did, and then 4 with text about you. Doesn't have to be a long paragraph. It can just be kind of like a bulleted list. That's fine. And you also need to have 1 slide that addresses why you're at Southeastern and your future goals. And then 10 plus photo or video slides. So this is your opportunity to upload those pictures from your camera roll on your phone or videos, as long as they are school appropriate, that's fine. And then you also have to have music as a background. So as you see, we go through here and you can add slides, and when you add slides, it adds it after your title slide. So you'll just go to the other slide, you have your background is blue, you can add text, you can add photo, you can add video. And so once you've done this and you've created the whole thing the way you want it, you do need to add your music. So you can use your own music, but Adobe will prevent you from publishing if you are using a song that is copyrighted. So basically any song off of the radio or that you have like downloaded on your phone or on your computer, that will be filtered out. And so whenever you post it, that song will not play. And then I can't hear the song, so I can't give you the points on the rubric for your song. So please just choose one of their little tones that they have, and you can just click on the different ones. Try to see if it'll play. Maybe. There we go. So this is medieval times. You might not want to choose that, but if you're into Renaissance fairs or something like that, maybe you want to use medieval times. But you can go through here. There are a whole lot of different options. So you can kind of like find a song that matches your personality and your overall theme of your video. And whenever you're done, what you will do, so you have all of your slides, make sure, like I said, that you are following the correct number of slides. So you have to have 5 text slides and then 10 photo or video slides for a total of 15 slides. Total of 15 slides. It's very simple. Some need to be photos, some need to be text. Some video would be great if you want to throw it in there. That would be awesome. Whenever you're done, make sure that you have gone through and watched it, first of all, to make sure, like, you click the little play button and you make sure that it's doing what you want it to do. And then you will click share. When you click share, you have to pick a category. It's going to force you to. If you don't pick a category, it's not going to allow you to do it. Choose education, and then all you have to do is click create link. It's going to take a little while to create the link. Once you have the link, you're going to copy that link and you're going to post it onto the discussion board. And then you're done. You have completed your About Me video. You will have to make responses to your classmates, so please make sure that you do that by the date that's listed in Moodle and in the syllabus. So, see here, we've copied it right there, and you can just copy and paste the link in. If you're tech savvy and you want to be really fancy, you can use the embed code and click HTML when you're on the, like, where you would enter in the text for the discussion board, and then you would paste that into the box that pops up. But you don't have to do that. You can just list the link for this first go around, and we'll deal with like embedding later on in the class. So that is how to use Adobe Spark. It is very, very, very simple. It's a really easy way to create videos. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys.